Hey all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can increase your bookings using Instantly's new feature. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alex. I own a six-figure marketing agency and we work with over 17 businesses, most of which are in the United States. We do Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, and email marketing. Now going back to Instantly's new feature, the new feature is called B2B Lead Finder and it's still in beta. But what this feature will allow you is to discover, connect and close your ideal customers, leveraging their database of over 80 million businesses. And the great thing about it is that you can do it just in a few clicks. You can find your ideal customers with advanced filters. From technologies to revenue and headcount, you can target people that you know will resonate with your campaigns. You can also use keywords to find your ideal customers. If you want to target agencies, for example, you can simply search for agencies and they'll show you every agency in their database. You can also create a lookalike list. What you need to do is simply add your ideal customer's website and instantly will populate you a lead list with similar businesses. So let's hop into my computer and I'll show you how to actually use it. So here we are in my computer, guys, and I'm going to show you how to use the new feature that Instantly has. Now, the tool is going to be located on the top of the menu. You can see it here, this icon. Now, let's go through all of the different filters. Now, with job titles, you can look for CEO, CFO, COO, and basically quite a lot of different options. Next, you can use location. You can do United States, for example. Let's see if you can do Europe, or you need to be specific with the country. Yeah, when you need to be specific here with the country. So for example, you can go Germany, you can go United Kingdom, and just basically search for whatever you need. And you can also search by city. So let's do, for example, London. Yep. Which is really good. Now with industries, you have huge list of different options. Now you have mining, which is very interesting, then business services, computers, electronics, consumer services, education, and the list goes on and on. Now you also have retail, apparel and fashion, cosmetics, supermarkets, software and internet, and yeah. Next you have employees, 0 to 25, and it goes all the way up to more than 100,000 employees. Revenue, you can select 0 to 1 million, 1 to 10 million, and it goes to more than 1 billion. Keywords, again, let's try and search for an agency. Let's see what's gonna come up. So there you go. Now you have a ton of agencies that you can reach out to. Actually, you have 18,569 agencies, which is crazy. And you can see you have all of their data. Again, all of this data is going to be revealed when you download it as a CSV or you add it as a campaign. You have the founder, their LinkedIn, phone numbers, employees. Then you have lookalike domains. Now let's see, let's try to find a similar business to Gymshark and see what's going to happen. Now let's see if there is a business that is actually similar to Gymshark. Let's choose a random one. Let's go here. Where is this? Sportiva.com. Okay, that's actually nice. Yep, I think he's gonna do the job. Very nice. Let's try another one. Okay, so you can see this one is not similar to Gymshark. Yeah, okay, so again, this is still in beta. As you can see here, not everything is gonna be 100% accurate, but it makes it very easy because if you want to add those businesses, let's say select first 1,000, oops, where did you go? Select the first 1,000 results. There you go, and you click add to campaign and choose which campaign you want them to be added, and that's it. And that's it. It's gonna automatically populate the name, title, company. Really good. Then okay, let's choose some other filters and technologies. Let's see what they have available. Smile, they have okay. One-on-one websites, Facebook feed, Instagram feed. Let's see. Can I search for one? Klaviyo. Okay, there you go. So we have businesses that use Klaviyo. Let's see. 246,000 results. And let's see, industry. Let's do, what we're gonna do? Let's do luxury goods and jewelry. 2,000 businesses. Okay, let's clear this. Let's see all of the other options. You have more filters, management levels, department, then you have name, you have company name. Really nice. So guys, I've already started using this. As you can see here, this is one of the lists that I've tried, and I reached out to 960 businesses, and I already booked 2 meetings, and I'm about to have sales calls with the guys next week. So it's definitely working. The good thing about this is that all of the leads are verified, so you're gonna have very few bounces and very few emails that you won't be able to reach out. And yeah, it's extremely easy. Of course, it's a paid option, so you need to pay for it. I think at the moment I'm paying $200 per month, and you're allowed to add up to 10,000 leads per month. And yeah, but it's definitely worth it because you have all of these, let's say, store leads, Apollo. If you have a VA doing all of this, it's gonna cost you more. And you need to download the CSV, upload it here. But with Instantly, as I mentioned earlier, they have over 80 million people in their database. So they have plenty of businesses that you can add to your campaigns. And yeah, highly recommend you to use this. So yeah, guys, that was about it. I hope this is useful. I would highly recommend you to jump on this as soon as possible, because in the beginning, not many people are going to be reaching out to those leads. But as you can imagine, with time, when more people using Instantly find about this feature, and let's say more people from other softwares find this feature that Instantly has, are going to jump here and are going to start outreaching to the same businesses, and they're going to start getting bombarded with emails. So jump on it as soon as possible. And yeah, thank you very much for your time. If you want me to help you scale your agency, there is a link below. You can schedule a coaching call with me, or if you have an e-commerce business and you want me to help you scale the business, again, there's going to be a link in the description. And yeah, thank you for your time. Like and subscribe if you found this valuable, and I'll see you next time. Bye.